everybody, I'm Bill Keith and I'm at the Stylo Fashion Grand Prix Fashion Week, okay? And today is my show and I'm going to feature a very special collection, my little baby, you know, and we're going to have 12 very exclusive pieces you're going to see. And as most people know that I always have a bit of our traditional touch in my collection. It's either the silhouette or the fabric or the looks or the beadwork or anything. So whatever I do, I make sure that I always remember the people of India, the Malay people and also the Chinese people. So I put them all together in my whole collection, okay? And today, what I'm going to feature is all my very special little kabayas, and I'm going to make it wild. But you can still wear it as the traditional way, as well as very contemporary for the young people, as well the older ones if they want to feel young and tired of getting old. Then this is something different, okay? So today we're going to have the Funky Divas collection from me. And Stylo, and this is the second year that Stylo have had their fashion show. And it's amazing. And if you look around, and you look at the marquee, and this is the Maharaja marquee. And this is all done by none other than British India. And it's very exciting and very grand in here. But if you come here, if only you are here, you will feel the ambience. You can smell the aroma, and it's all the flowers, fresh flowers, and all the jasmine flowers. I'm smelling like jasmine right now, you know, and I'm feeling sexy, okay? Okay, and this show, it says Stylo, every year Stylo has, you know, it's always in conjunction with the F1, the Grand Prix, and to create an image or to create attention or to create, you know, a focus on fashion people, fashionista, and also the socialite people, where everybody get together and be beautiful for the day, you know. And we got beautiful food, delicious food all around, and we've got all these people all dressed up in the best, you know, to the T, and all coming to see the collection, okay? And just not only me, we have a lot of designers throughout the whole week, and it'll be very exciting. Designers from all walks of life, and then all designers giving their own creation and their own identity, okay? And today I'm showing my latest collection, my little cute kabaya, the Diva, Funky Divas.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage first and foremost, Ning.
Halo, selamat datang ke pesta panggung agung di
Cimata dunia
yang mampu membuat engkau leka dari tanggung jawabmu, oh manusia.
Pipi lagi sini, ku tidak berikan berkali-kali. Apabila bintang berjalan di bumi, ini dia mimpi atau fantasi. Isi hatimu.
Kau tak tahu apa yang ku mahu. Dia boleh angkat kau ke angkasa, tapi dia kejam pada maksanya. Dan jika kau masih mau berjaya, ku punya resepi di macam saya. Ambil fotografi, tambah sensasi, secawan energi, secap-cap seksi. Photoshoot, Photoshop dan juga PC untuk meningkatkan putaran fantasi. Naikkan royalty dari MCP, juga jumlah muat guru dan RPG. Undangan memanggung di sana sini, selagi menjadi cita rasa kini. Alangkah cantik bila bertata, kamu pertama di atas jata. Bila dah turun semua dilupa, tak apa, inilah
Pipi hilang di sini, ku tidak berikan berkali-kali. Apabila bintang berjalan di bumi, ini yang mimpi atau fantasi. Ada yang mau percaya.
tak kebulan kau naik untuk berjaya. Aku panjat tangga yang aku bina. Aku beli tanah dan bikin bangsa. Kau rumah mewah tapi berdewa. Kau tak bisa bersaing di persada serantau dan juga antara bangsa. Jago di kampung sedang di kota. Selesa berkarya bertongkat roda. Usia muda pikiran tua. Tapi biarlah diberi jiwa. Dari bincang masalah bisa dilupa. Kau baik dalam manusia. Thank you.
Thank you. Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want done, baby, I'll do it naturally. 'Cause I'm every woman. It's all in me. No. It's all in me. I don't think so. Oh yeah? Maureen Aziz. It's all in me. Do you believe her? Let's give it up! Woo! Thank you. Yumbazura. Noreen Aziz together with Ultimate. Bill Keith. I promised you surprises, didn't I? Bill Keith, ladies and gentlemen. I'd also like to say a big thank you to Ning, Noreen and Ultimate for their performance tonight.
Right?
Congratulations.
Is that what you want?
You steal away everybody's.
Or you mean,
Just did it. You enjoyed it?
yeah, okay.
Very much. Drive the camera out, right?
Oh, it's okay because it's rushing.
So you have female when you come, we also include
Wow,
masculine,
suddenly
right?
it's just a little wash. I just something there. I was like looking this side.
Surprise.
So glad you came.
That's nice.
Okay.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the next award was only created last night, as it was not originally planned, but the judges were totally blown away by the fashion presentation of this designer. The award for excellence in fashion presentation goes to Bill Keith for his amazing show last night. And for those of you lucky enough to be here last night, it was mind-blowing. Congratulations to Bill Keith and thank you, Mr. Peter Honig.
La suya, ragione